discussing the displacement concept. So displacement is suppose the object is moved from A location to B location, then B to C location. So this is the initial point and this is the final point. So shortest path between the initial point and the final point, that is known as displacement. So this is the concept of displacement. Shortest distance between initial and final point is displacement. So this displacement, it is a vector quantity. It is having direction also. And the unit of a displacement is also meter. Next concept is the displacement. It can be positive also, it can be negative also, it can be zero also. Displacement can be positive, zero, and a negative. Displacement, either it can be equal to distance or less than distance. So distance is greater than or equal to displacement. So this is the concept of displacement. Suppose this is A point and this is B point. From point O, the distance of A is called xi. Xi is the distance of point A from O, and xf is the distance of point B from A. So suppose that object has started from A and has reached to B. So what is the displacement between A and B? So displacement final minus initial. So this is the displacement. If xf is greater than xi, that means final distance is greater than initial distance, displacement is positive. But if initial distance is greater than final distance, displacement is negative. Displacement is negative. So you should be aware about the condition how the displacement is positive and how the displacement is negative. We are discussing what is displacement. This is the definition of displacement in SI unit. It's a vector quantity, that means it is having direction also and it is having magnitude also. So the displacement is always equals to or less than the distance, and displacement can be positive, zero, or negative. If the starting point and the initial point are same, we can say that the displacement is zero. If starting point A, it has gone to B, again it has come back to A, that means starting point and final point is same, displacement is zero. So if starting and final point is same, displacement is zero. So you are well aware about the concept what is displacement, its unit. These are some features of displacement. And in which condition displacement will be positive, and in which condition displacement will be negative. So displacement is not. You can pause the video and write down these concepts if you want to write. If it's necessary, you have to write down. No? So next concept is write down a numerical. This numerical is based on displacement concept. Suppose a circular path is there whose radius is 20 cm. Sorry, radius is r. Radius is r. An object is moving in this circular path. And object is completing this circular path in 20 seconds. Time taken to complete one full round is 20 seconds. Like this. Suppose object is rotating. At the end of 70 seconds, suppose 70 seconds have passed. Calculate distance and displacement after the end of 70 seconds. That means object is rotating in the circular path of radius r, and he complete one circle in 20 seconds, but he is continuously moving for 70 seconds. So you have to calculate the distance and displacement in this numerical. Okay. So next concept. So you can pause the screen and note down this numerical. We have to solve this. Next concept is speed. So what is speed? We have learned in 7th class. Object is moving on road. That means it is covering some distance with respect to time. So distance covered per unit time is speed. So you know that distance covered per unit time, that is speed. Okay. And speed is equals to distance upon time. So what is the unit of distance meter? Time is second, meter per second. So speed unit is meter per second. You know that distance is a scalar quantity. Speed will also be a scalar quantity. That means it depends only on magnitude, no direction. Speed is having no direction, its magnitude is there. It's also a scalar quantity.
आजा